sprinkle, so we might find some ponchos, but we're gonna run to the safari ride. Africa, here's our ride. Bunny day, get the whole car. Hi Fred, this is awesome. This is what we're looking for today. Lots of animals.
On keeping. Hold on, so nice and tight as well, because it is my absolute duty to go right into their surroundings. So, and those ones there will feed to a zebra, right? It's got the zebra pants on, but it's not. It's only living relatively young. You know, on your right hand side, these are saddle-built storks. They'll weigh between 2,000 and 3,000 pounds. And their horns are made out of the same thing, or fingernails, and hair is made out of, and that's called keratin. Very rarely keeps them nice and protected from the hot sun. They can be prone to heat stroke, but look to your left, there's a group of hippo. And when they talk to each other, it's a form of communication called wheeze. Cold-blooded, sit down.
Pretty view. Woo!
Now, hyena are matriarchal, which means the lowest. On your left-hand side, these are sable antelope. These are Maasai giraffe, but giraffe in general are the tallest land mammal, getting around 20 feet tall. They have a pretty long tongue, getting around 20 inches long.
Hey buddy.
Wild beasts. They don't really mind. They will conjoin in a bachelor herd. I have a white fur to get out, plus their trunks have more muscles in it than we do.
Flamingo.
And red flamingo are the largest of
Southern white rhino. They're so cute.
There's a bunch of them. They like each other.
In the mud.
Plus they have a top speed of 35 miles an hour, which is only 17 of them live. Because they'll sleep hunting, it makes them silent. Females will do most of the hunting. They'll hunt for 3 to 4 hours at a time.
There's another one.
So she loves it up there.
Right up there.
Yes. Now warthogs are very resourceful. They are the largest of the burrowing animals. Feet tall.
Bought some ponchos. Having some breakfast in Africa. Sausage, egg, cheese biscuit. Bonnie got some quiche. Yum. Look at this yummy fruit selection. Ooh, I might want a pickle. Fresh pineapple. So beautiful out. It's got a new cat. Lotso. Vulture over there in the tree of life. So cool. Cool vulture. Kevin sighting. Oh my goodness. Ah! You can't eat the act. Get him, Kevin. Get him. Hi, Kevin. Dinoland. I go look for Nemo.
To his death. Darla's coming in 5 days, but he'll be long gone by then.
Here we come. Moto Dragon.
Yeah, she's pretty great at camouflage, and she loves to dig. When she gets really warm, she'll actually dig, and that gets her down to like cooler ground, so she can cool her body temperature off. Because unlike us, she has to maintain that on her own.
She probably likes the rain earlier.
Oh yeah. And when she gets really cold, the rock right here, this large rock, she'll lay on that. It's like her warming rock, so.
Sleeping kitty. There's some water buffalo. They're just grazing. Those are cute.
Cool air.
Oh, the bird.
Bugging him.
That's funny. Friend or foe? There's the mom wildcat hiding behind the tree. She is. Yay! Ooh, a poop? Say hi. Hello. Oh, she's pretty. They're so pretty. Good pick. Birds, guys. Lily pads. The tree of life. Got seasoned fries and some chicken dumplings. And they had some fun dipping sauces. And Bonnie's Diet Coke, always. Pandora, here we come. A steaming pod. Of the trip. It was such a good time. Now we gotta head to the airport.